One of the biggest challenges that most people face when it comes to upgrading their storage, for instance, from hard disk drive to SSD, is loss of data. And also when changing your computer, your biggest fear is how you can migrate your data from your old computer to your new computer without losing a single application. In this video tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do just that without losing a single file. I will show you guys how you can clone your entire operating system onto another system without losing a single file, your applications included, and also how you can clone your partition on your hard drive onto another hard drive, and also how you can clone your entire hard drive onto a new hard drive. For instance, from a hard disk drive to an SSD without losing a single file. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. And if by the end of this video you find it helpful, which I guarantee you will, kindly share it with your family and friends. Without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video. To get started, you click on the link in the description of this video, or you copy this exact link right here and paste it in your browser. So as soon as you paste it in your browser, you hit enter, just like this, paste, and then you hit enter. It's going to take you to the download page, and it's important you do so they know that you're coming from me. So after that, you click on this download now. It's going to download the software. So as you can see, it's downloading the software. I already have a copy of the software, so I'm stopping this. And this is the copy of the software right here, AOMEI cloner. You just double click on it and install it as you would a normal application. It's that easy. So after the installation, you get the launcher on your desktop right here, which is AOMEI. You double click on it to open, and then you select yes. So after that, it's going to open, and you get to perform this 3 operations through this wonderful software right here. So system clone is the option you select when you want to copy your entire operating system along with the files onto your new hard drive. For instance, you are upgrading your hard drive from HDD to SSD. So this is the option you select when you don't want to reinstall operating system again and then copy your files afresh. So you select this option, and then you select your brand new SSD or your upgraded hard disk drive. So let's say, for instance, this is my brand new SSD that I want to swap with the one in my computer. So after you select it, you just click on next, and it's going to warn you that make sure that you've backed up all important data on the new SSD before proceeding. So you hit OK, and it's going to perform that operation. All you have to do is just wait. And the second one is disk clone. This is the option you select when you want to copy everything on your drive onto another drive. As you can see right here, you get to select source disk right here, which is where do you want to copy from. So you select this drive right here. If you want to copy from this drive, you select it, and it's going to copy everything, including the partition and the file. As you can see, we have 4 different partitions on this drive. So I select this, and then I click on next. It's going to ask for destination disk, which is where do you want them copied to. So this is where you select where you want your files to be copied to. And as usual, let's assume this is my brand new hard drive. So I select this, and then I click on next. It's also going to warn me to make sure that I back up my files before proceeding. And then you just click on OK, and then you just wait it out. So, and the last but not the least, which is partition clone. This is where you get to select a particular partition that you want it copied onto another drive. And in this case, I've already performed this function right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to copy Y partition. I select Y partition and then click on next. Then it's going to ask for destination partition as well, which is where do you want the Y partition to be copied to. So I selected this disk right here, and then I click on next, OK, and then start clone. So I just have to wait, and it's going to copy that partition onto my flash drive along with the files in my source partition as well. So as you can see, it has finished. So let's check our partitions right here. So this is the partition we copied from, and this is the partition we copied to. So as you can see, exact same size and exact same files as well. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, as I said, and this is also a bonus tool right here where you can create a bootable media, and it's that easy. If you find this video tutorial helpful, ensure you like it and share it with your friends who might find it helpful as well. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.